How to change currency on TradingView mobile app. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, just go ahead and open the TradingView app and tap on charts. Once you open charts, you can see the chart and currently it is on USD. Now, if you want to change the currency, just go ahead and tap on the symbol which is over here. Once you tap on it, you will be headed to this search bar. Now, let's suppose I am currently dealing with Bitcoin and on USD. But if I want to change it into Great British pounds or just simply pound, just go ahead and tap on the pound option and the British pound has been done. So this is how easy it is to change the currency and view it on the chart as well on the TradingView mobile app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.